everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Variety rices are such wonderful saviors, I tell you. Whether you have less time to cook or if you're feeling unwell, quick and simple recipes always come in handy. So today I'm going to show you one such recipe. It's called instant onion rice. So you can also pack this for your lunch boxes. So let's get started and check out the recipe. So what we're making today is a nice instant one-pot dish. To a nice white kadai, add about 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm going to add a few ingredients for tempering. Add 2 teaspoons of Chana Dal, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon Cumin Seeds. Next I'm adding half cup of peanuts. Now you can add peanuts with skin or without skin. So these are raw peanuts. I'm adding them while tempering because this way it will get roasted nicely. So once the peanuts have turned to a nice brown color and they're roasted nicely, I'm adding 1 small bulb of this garlic cloves. So the garlic cloves are optional. If you don't want to use them or if you don't want to use them as a whole, you can slice them and use just a few cloves accordingly. Next, add 2 large onions thinly sliced. Saute the onions for about 2 to 3 minutes. So after sauteing the onions for about 2 to 3 minutes, add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon hing, that is Asafoetida powder, and about 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I'm also adding about 4 green chilies slit. Mix everything well. So we're making this instant onion rice, which is a wonderful lunchbox recipe. It's very quick to make. I've not added too much of salt because I've cooked the rice, adding salt in it. So we need to add the rice separately. So at this point I'm going to add a few curry leaves and about 1/4 cup of tamarind puree. This is diluted tamarind puree. This will give you a nice tanginess to the rice. Don't add too much, just add a little bit according to the quantity of rice that you're taking. At this point I'm just adding a little water, just about 1/4 cup. So I've left it for about 3 to 4 minutes. So you can see all that excess moisture is evaporated and the onions have been infused with that lovely juice of the tamarind. Garlic cloves are also nicely cooked. So at this point I'm going to add the rice. For this recipe I've taken 1 250 ml cup of long grain basmati rice and I've cooked it. So I've cooked it with a little bit of salt in it. That's why I've added just a little salt while cooking the onions. Now just mix the rice along with the onion mixture. Now you don't have to use long grain basmati rice. You can just use any rice that you eat at home, or even if you have some leftover rice from the previous day, you can use that rice also to make this recipe. So it's a very simple dish. You can check for seasoning at this point, and if you want to add a little bit of salt, you can add it. So I've checked for seasoning and I'm just adding another 1/2 teaspoon of salt. So these simple lunchbox recipes are wonderful and quick to make. So if you're running short of time, this is something that you can just whip up in minutes. Finally, I'm garnishing with some chopped coriander leaves. So this instant onion rice is ready to be served. So you can enjoy this with any side dish of your choice. This is a very nice flavorful rice that you can enjoy as is. I'm serving it with some nice fried potato by the side. So I've made other simple and tasty variety rice recipes. I'll give you a couple of links in the description. You can check that out as well. So there you go. This instant onion rice is full of flavors and you can also make it with leftover rice. Now you can have it as is, or you can also enjoy it with some side dish like aloo fry, papad, or with some chips by the side. Do try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now, so you can place your orders on 21frames.in.